Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite black girl YouTuber, and if it's not yet, then it will be soon. Today I'm showing you guys a realistic day in my life, and right now I'm just getting ready for the day, doing my normal morning routine. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoy this video. It's, like I said, a realistic day in my life, so this is what I do when I don't have work or school. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy it, and thank you guys so much for watching.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey. Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in town.
Yeah, we have a lot of stuff to do today. I woke up late. It's already like 11 something. I was supposed to wake up at 8. Literally, I just couldn't. I was too comfortable. The sleep was sleeping. This is not going to be able to stay on my shoulder. I think for my lip oil right here. It's not like, you see? I got to struggle to put it on. You got to do what you got to do. Lip oil. This is the pomegranate and honey. It's something, pomegranate. But yeah, I'm going to go to A&PM right now to get some quarters because I need to wash. I don't even know if someone's washing downstairs or not, so I'm gonna be very upset if they are. But there are other things that I can do for washing, but I have everything in order from importance, so we'll just see what happens. Okay guys, so I am back home. I already started my laundry. It's A&PM, they didn't have any quarters, so I just got some dollars and gave it to my mom so she can tailor to me. But yeah, so I'm already washing my clothes. Don't know if I'm gonna work out. Probably gonna just exit out that today. Really not important compared to the other stuff that I need to do, which is homework, those Cal State applications. So I'm gonna do that while I wait for my clothes to finish washing, and then I'm going back downstairs and dry them. I did eat, so don't worry guys, I did eat. Y'all just didn't see me eat. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do for right now.
Let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your ease and here you go, you try to tease with them pictures. You ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pen Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas. My hair keeps changing every time I come down here. My clothes are done, top and bottom. Where did I put my bag? My bag is in the bottom one, so I'm gonna do the bottom first and then I'm gonna get the top one. Please never entertain them, 'cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So much to live for, too, baby. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it. I just want a roughneck nigga on the tongue. You just wanna send me automatic with a drum. Ask me if I'm finished now, I just begun. I ain't giving out no 90 to no nigga just for fun. Are you done?
Please ignore my hair. I know it looks bad, but I have done, I don't know why I didn't add chores to my to-do list, but I just did my chores, so we're done with that. Laundry's done. I ate. I'm about to get my homework done. It is 6 o'clock right now. I'm gonna try to get all of my homework done. I'm basically almost finished with my essay. I'm gonna do my political science testing. I may end up working out, but later, like probably like right before my shower. I'm gonna edit my video. I'm gonna just try to do everything that's on my to-do list. I'm not even worried about the order. I'm just trying to get it done as soon as I can. It's been a lot. If you're this far in the video, thank you so much for watching and continue to watching my videos. I really appreciate it. My little cousin was literally giving me advice on like what I should post like on YouTube, and saying like, oh, don't just stick to doing makeup and school, like other things, do dancing videos, do videos with your boyfriend and everything. And I'm just like, okay. She was trying to help me out. She's really trying to help me out. So props to you, Solara. Love you. I'm doing my homework right now. It's hot. I'm not gonna fall asleep. There's no naps today, okay? No naps. Okay guys, so I submitted my first freaking assignment that I was working on today, and we're gonna work on test number 1. I have to figure out which one I want to work on, provide definitions for 8 of these words, the significance behind it. When does it due? I believe it's due on Friday, but I have work Thursday and Friday, so I want to get it done before that. Okay guys, so I ended up falling asleep and I didn't even get to 4. I'll just stop for today. And again, these things are not due till Friday. I'm debating on if I should edit my video real quick or start these Cal State applications. I already kind of sort of started them, but they're not like really started. But I think I'm gonna edit my video because that's like, it takes less time to do that. But the video's only 13 minutes. So yeah, I'm gonna do that real quick, get it over with. I'm gonna get it out there so that y'all have another video for this week. So if you're watching this video, then that means you already watched this video. I'm gonna do that right now, and then I'll probably update you guys before I get in the shower or probably after. I edited my video and I put it in the YouTube studio. But yeah, it's gonna post tomorrow at 8 a.m. Hopefully y'all get to see this video. And hopefully this video comes out probably a week from now. I don't know. We'll just see how this goes. Okay guys, so this will be the end of the video. This is me just putting in 4 Bantu knots so that I can get some heatless curls, which actually they came out cute, but you know the weather really tends to mess with my hair, so it didn't stay cute for very long. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below any other videos you guys want me to do, and I'll do them as soon as I can. And once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to turn on the notifications so that you get notified every time I post. Sorry. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye.